To work with researchers is fantastic because it's very challenging. If you want to dream in your life, you have to try to work in this domain, all the domains. And concerning HPC, a specific high-performance computing, a specific point is that we are in contact with all the scientists. If you are on the side of computing, and if you are on the side of a specific application, we are also in contact with many different disciplines. So it's very rewarding for everybody, and for me it was a fantastic experience.